Hello guys. Sa mga may pending withdrawal po kay Playtime, try nyo po dito. Punta po tayo dito sa Explore More Games. Continue. Tapos, wait ka. Ito na. Ito po si itong customer service nila. Oh my god, not ready. Saka po tayo sa customer service. Tapos, withdraw. Withdraw issues po tayo. Punta tayo sa withdraw issues. Tapos, dito po tayo sa number 1. When will my pending GCash Maya withdrawal be processed? In most cases, your GCash Maya pending withdrawal order is expected to be processed by 8 p.m. the following day. However, in certain circumstances, GCash Maya may require until the next business day's reconciliation to confirm the status of your redemption order. Your patience during this process is greatly appreciated. So, wala din siyang, parang walang itulong din yung niya dito. Punta tayo sa contact, sa need more help, contact us. Punta tayo dyan. Press contact us. Tapos ito may na kasi ako dyan sa kanya kanina eh. Sabi ni customer service, hello, may I ask you with anything? Tapos may pagpipilian dyan niya. Piliin niya yung when will my pending GCash my withdrawal be processed? Tapos yung sagot niya, yung kanina din yung binasa natin. Tapos nag-reply ako, but it's almost a week now. My pending withdrawal still not processed. Ang reply niya is, dear user, sorry for that. I cannot solve your problem. You can click the button below to submit the form and contact human agent. So, dapat mag-fill in tayo dito. Fill in. May dyan, may pag-fill up ka dyan, 1 to 5. Number 1 is, please enter user ID. Yung user ID nyo po sa Playtime. Tapos 2, please enter register phone number. Yung phone number nyo po na gamit nyo sa Playtime. Number 3, please enter brief description of the issue. Lagay nyo po yung pending withdrawal. Tapos, please upload the attachment if available. Lagay nyo po yung picture ng pending withdrawal nyo po. Kung ilan na yung pending nyo, ilagay nyo po dyan sa number 4. Tapos, please enter date. Tapos, mag-date lang kayo kung kailan kayo nag-fill up nito. Tapos, submit na. Hindi kasi makaano ko eh. Submit nyo lang. Tapos, kayo na po mag-ano kung ano yung reply nila. Sana ma-withdraw nyo na yung pending nyo. Guys, thank you.